Read reviews that most people are talking about. PLZ 108, single DIN car radio stereo, wireless Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth 5.3, audio receiver, Android Auto, 4.2 channel preamplifier 240 watt. 2 subwoofer, 10.1-inch full touch screen, backup camera. The features by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel would like to recommend are as follows. Immersive 10.1-inch, 1920x1080p, IPS touchscreen. Head unit is suitable for most car single DIN/double DIN dash openings. Elevate driving experience with a vivid 10.1-inch IPS full touchscreen with resolution 1920x1080, offering sharp visuals. Its multi-angle adjustment ensures comfortable viewing from any position. Wired mirror link feature seamlessly connects compatible iOS or Android devices, transforming car's infotainment system into a hub of entertainment and productivity. Wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto with voice control. Car stereo system allow to choose between wired or wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and enjoy voice control through Apple Siri or Google Assistant for calls, in-dash navigation and music. This safer, smarter way to navigate enhances daily drive with convenience. Audiophile sound quality with built-in DSP. Immerse in audiophile grade sound with a built-in DSP system, precisely tuned for perfection. The 10-band EQ lets sculpt the sound to preferences. 4.2 channel preamplifier output with peak power 60 watt x4, 240 watt. 2 subwoofers deliver deep bass output for a resonating multimedia player experience. Independent Bluetooth 5.3 module with extra antenna. Ensure a robust and uninterrupted connection with the independent Bluetooth 5.3 module and an extra antenna. Minimize interference, reduce electronic noise, and enjoy a stable connection for hands-free calling and wireless music streaming, even in challenging environments. Safety driving and parking features. Enhance safety with a front view camera for a real-time road view. The included HD backup camera simplifies recording, parking and reversing with high-quality video and a wide viewing angle. Steering wheel control support lets manage essential functions without taking hands off the wheel. Creating a comprehensive safety and convenience package for a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Versatile connectivity hub and fast charging. Multiple ports for video and audio in and outputs, 4 sound outputs and 2 inputs, 1 video outputs and 1 outputs. Front and rear camera inputs ensure comprehensive visual coverage and enhance safety during maneuvers. 2 subwoofer outputs for an enriched audio experience. USB wired mirror link feature for seamless connectivity with compatible devices. Benefit from 3A fast charging, ensuring your devices stay powered up for the entire journey. This is Video Create by Video introduce the latest products YouTube channel. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.